my legend modders, and welcome to a new video, and this time it will be video about how we will make from sprue just a small flower for your girlfriend, mother or some best friend. As you can see, we start cutting the excess plastic on the plastic sprues with a sharp knife and of course with sharp clippers, and don't forget on the sandpaper as well. After that, when we are done with the sanding, I must make something harder, and I choose the micro drill with a sandpaper on it, and I just start cleaning the excess hard plastic on plastic sprue. When the cleaning and sanding of excess plastic is done, I use of course the thin glue to melt down the excess plastic. After that, I must just use classic glue and stick together other piece from a plastic sprue, and I try to make some texture with a putty and Mr. Cement glue as well for some more detailed texture, because the classic plastic sprue is just smooth and doesn't look great at all. After that, I just took a cotton pot and tried to make a leaf from it, and of course I decided to make a drill hole into another plastic sprue with little wires to hold better, and it didn't supposed end up well, so I just used again super glue here to hold it and use some cotton swabs to make a flower look somehow. After the priming, I start painting the flower with enamel colors, and I used the forest green enamel color from Revel, and I just mix it up with a little bit of thinner, and I paint it with just a paintbrush, because I think paintbrush is much better for painting the cloth of the cotton swabs, so it make much better color transition and opacity than the airbrush. But as you know, again, it just soaked the paint into it, so I kinda tried hard as I can. And now we can move finally to the flowers itself, and I used just a really bright yellow color, again enamel color from Revel, start painting it with a paintbrush as you can see here, and with a few layers as well. After the base painting of the flowers, it's almost done. What is still missing is complete the excess painting of yellow color, and now I additional few transition colors with blue to make it looks much better. And finally, here you can see the finished flower. I hope you like it, and see you next time.